Have you ever locked yourself in a hotel room and thought you were completely safe, only to realize that safety was an illusion? Just another traveler in Chicago, excited for a weekend escape. She loved wandering the city's neighborhoods, sipping coffee at quiet cafes, and losing herself in hidden art galleries. The streets were alive, and she felt alive with them, unaware that one weekend would change everything. Thriving in her marketing career, her weekdays were filled with deadlines, campaigns, and meetings that tested her creativity and resilience, but her weekends were hers, moments to breathe, explore, and feel completely in control of her life. Friends and family often admired her independence, saying she could balance everything with grace. Traveling alone had always been part of that freedom, a time when she felt invincible, safe, and untouchable. She checked into a hotel in the West Loop that Friday evening, carrying a sense of excitement and calm. The city lights flickered through her window as she unpacked, imagining quiet nights in her room after a day of exploring. Everything seemed ordinary, almost too ordinary. That sense of security, that quiet comfort, would soon be shattered. Faint unease, a momentary thought that something was off. She shrugged it away, trusting the hotel staff and the locked door. But the hotel had failed to reprogram the magnetic keycard after the previous guest checked out. That small oversight allowed another guest to enter. Her safe moments before became a scene of fear and violation. Her weekend escape had turned into a nightmare she could never have imagined. In the day, sure where to turn until she reached out to our firm. As her hotel sexual assault attorney, we guided her through every step, making sure she understood her rights and was supported throughout the process. Our investigation uncovered that the assault occurred directly because the hotel had failed to secure her room properly. This was not just a tragic event, it was a hotel sexual assault that could have been prevented. It was a stark example of sexual assault in hotels that highlights the dangers of negligence. Hotels have a legal responsibility to protect their guests, and when that responsibility is ignored, victims have the right to hold them accountable. Our experienced hotel sexual assault lawyer helped her pursue a hotel sex assault lawsuit, documenting every lapse from mismanaged keycards to inadequate staff procedures. Speaking with a skilled hotel sexual assault attorney can provide support, guidance, and a path to justice. While the assault left her shaken, stronger, determined to continue exploring, living fully, and embracing the world she loves. Legal action gave her not just accountability, but also the courage to trust herself in the world again. If you or someone you know has experienced a similar situation, it is important to reach out. A hotel sexual assault attorney can help protect your rights and ensure that negligent behavior does not go unchallenged. Safety, justice, and your voice matter, and it is never too late to take the first step toward reclaiming them. Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit injurylawyerteam.com.